Hi there, here at Console today we'll be showing you our JUKI MO-6716DA. This is a 5-thread overlocker premium class sewing machine. This machine is semi-dry, meaning that the oil inside the machine is lubricating all the gears. However, the needle bar is lubricated via grease. This means that there will be no chance that the oil will go onto your fabric and staining it, causing you problems. We will now give you a small demonstration of how the machine goes. As you can see, it's flawless stitching every stitch. The motor as well is a silent servo motor that is built underneath the table, and it keeps vibrations and sound to a minimal whilst also saving energy. For the jack stand as well is built on wheels, as you can see here, with 2 pedals, one that does the sewing machine and the other one that raises the press foot. As you can see, we've got many machines in stock, so for any more questions, please drop a comment. Thank you very much.